Front end accidents galore. Tear it apart. Tear it apart. This one I'm already recovering it, or I already recovered it. This was at Camaro. I did the video on the heat sinks. Actually, this is, I didn't know that this heat exchanger right here, they actually have laying flat right off the ground. Interesting. And there's no protection under it. Huh, interesting. And so got this one, and then this one I gotta recover, disassembly, and then this one I'm already have it on the vacuum pump. That got the new condenser in it, so that one is about to be recharged. Where are we at on this? Am I ready yet? Come on, read. Get there. Not yet. We're getting there. Down to around 500 microns. Got a ways to go. This one just came in this morning on the tow hook. Man, these Dodge Chargers getting accidents all the time. Check this out. Just totally wiped out the suspension, push back, and yeah, they might be doing sometime. Might be doing recovery on that one. Recovery, recharge on that one. This one's back together. Get that one. This one I recovered last week and it's almost ready. This one, oh, this is a Honda. Can't you tell? Typical leaky. And I'm just about to start a recovery on this one. This is a YF. And talk about heat exchangers. Let's look at these interesting new little heat exchangers Honda has out here in their fittings. Like their fittings. These fittings are good. Seem good. I haven't seen them failed yet. And we have the other one. Where's this one going? This one is going back to this heat exchanger. Back there. And do the recovery on this one. I don't think I have the paperwork on this one to tear this down. And what else? I think there's two more. Tear down that one. Recovery on that one. That one, not sure yet. If it did damage this, they would tear it down and see if the front end has to be, but I don't think so. Might not have to do this one. I'm gonna be busy. I got work lined up for a week here. All right, guys, well, this is what my days consist of. Shop after shop, from early morning to late at night, and it never ends. And now that our weather, we're just hitting into October and the rains are going to start pouring. As soon as the rains hit, the body shops are going to get flooded with rear end accidents where people slide into rear and smash the front. And if you think I'm busy now, wait until you see what happens in San Francisco when they get rain. I literally, if there was 3 more of me and they went around and did 3 recoveries at every shop from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., I would still have double the amount of work I can't do. That's how busy it gets when the first rains hit in San Francisco with car accidents. All right, guys, I'll see ya.